Greetings class. For week 9, our topic is route plan by alphanumeric method, in which we will plan a route in terms of alphanumeric or letters and numbers. The steps or procedure will be to activate the route plan in your icon. Click on the icon route plan. What will be shown are the data for new waypoint. The default name for waypoint number 1 is WP-001. The position datum WGS 1984. And right below are the latitude and longitude. In the manner of entries, for the degrees or value of degrees, for the latitude, you will just have to type in the numerical value without the need for symbol. For example, if the value is 51 degrees, you just have to type 51, as long as it will be separated by space next to the minutes. Again, so 51 or 51 space and then the corresponding value in minutes. Let's say my value is 06.8. And for the longitude, after I have to type the latitude, it must be in 3-figure notation for the degrees in longitude. And then for the minutes, enter the value 2, (34.2), for example, followed by the label. So you must be sure in which hemisphere you are located now when you type in the latitude or longitude. So for my latitude, it is situated in north and in the eastern hemisphere too. After you have typewritten latitude and longitude, press OK and New. And you will be shown the default for the waypoint number 2, WP-002, and then the corresponding latitude and longitude. Okay, so you just have to change this for the value in waypoint number 2. Let's say, for example, my value for the latitude is 51 degrees 01. In this case, I just have to type the minutes because it has the same value of degrees for the latitude. Again, no need to type the symbol or units. It has to be separated by the space. For the longitude, 001, the same for my waypoint number 2. But then again, for the minutes, it has changed to 22.9. I'll just erase rather. And then the value in decimal place of waypoint number 2 for the longitude. Let us assume this is the last position. Okay. You may enter as many as 200 waypoints in one route plan. So for the last position, that is the time that you will click OK. Okay. For the next position, if there is still a next position, OK and New. If it is now the last position, you just have to click OK. And the route plan elements will be given in your route plan table. Next step, you must enter or you must change the default name of your route plan. On board the vessel, we have a unique entries for our route plan. For example, voyage 001, Manila to Singapore, okay, voyage 002, Singapore to Tokyo, Japan, and so on. But in our case, you will change it by your surname to be easily retrievable. So to edit the route plan name, click route properties. There is just some glitch in which the route plan name shifted to the monitor of radar. Okay, that is just a glitch in our ECDIS. Okay, so you just have to drag that into ECDIS and then change the corresponding route name. Okay, so for example, my route name would be Dover. In your case, it will be your surname. Observe as I close the route. Your route plan elements will now bear your route name. And with that, your route name has been saved in our load unload icon, which is located at the top. So you can retrieve that in the load unload icon here. Okay. Let me close this now for you. Okay. And then verify load unload. And you may see the route name that I have created, Dover 007. In our activity, you will extract the latitude and longitude for your given chart, and you will place it in a piece of paper for the entries of the value in the ECDIS. Thank you for listening. Hope that we can create this in our face-to-face class. Thank you.